Hey guys, BrickQueen here with some Lego news to share with you guys. So there is a brand new Lego theme coming out called Lego Forma, which to me kind of just looks like a upgraded Technic set, which is okay. It actually does look really cool, even though I'm not a huge fan of Technic. So this new theme is supposed to be targeted a lot more at adults. So I guess you can say that they kind of have an adult Lego theme now, maybe. I mean, Technic already kind of was for older kids slash adults. So I was looking at the article on Brickset, and so I found out from reading this, I had no idea beforehand, but from reading this article, I found out that this all started on Indiegogo, which I thought was really interesting. Apparently, basically, I guess Lego kind of, I don't know if Lego actually started this. It looks like it because it says project owner Lego Forma from Bill and Denmark. So maybe it's actually Lego that started it. Right now, you're only going to be able to buy it on the Indiegogo website. And I'll try to remember to put a link in the description to this page if you guys want to check it out. So here's the interesting thing about it. So, well, actually, the whole thing is interesting. Right now, it does say it's in the prototype stage. So they're not in production yet. The shipping date is estimated, could change, but it estimated January 2019. So this is like the base model over here, this Lego Forma Koi model. And then you can get different skins to add on to it, which is the cool part, I think. So you can kind of have a different look for different ones. You can have a shark, you have this really pretty, colorful splash koi skin, which looks cool. And it looks like here's a little gif of the person that was designing these different skins. Which I think is really awesome. The one thing that I was wondering about this when I first saw it is just, well, can it still like interchange with Lego parts? And the answer is definitely going to be yes. It was designed from Lego pieces, and then these skins you can kind of see, you'll just kind of attach on like you would attach, maybe Lego sails on one of their pirate ships or something like that. Or dragon wings or something like that. It's kind of the same kind of deal. And here's the really, really awesome part about it. You can actually move it. There's like a little crank at the bottom, so you can move it so it actually looks like it's swimming like a fish. So I think that is really, really cool. I don't know if I will get this or not. I haven't decided. But it does look really awesome. And so let's see. Yeah, there's the splash koi skin. There's also an ink koi skin, which just has this really cool ink design. There's also, well, I think that's the same model from the top. Yeah. It's just repeated down the line here. There's also a pack where you can get all of them together. You get the base model and the 3 different skins, which I think is really, really neat. It's kind of interesting that they are doing something different with Technic, and the fact that this is started on Indiegogo rather than just like Lego being like, hey, this is what we're doing, that's kind of different to me too. I'm not saying it's bad in any way. I think it's actually really a good idea to change things up a bit, do things a little bit different sometimes. I think the koi looks really cool, and I love the different skins on it. If I do end up getting this, I definitely want that colorful skin. And probably the shark skin. Okay, if I get this, I'm going to have to get the super box here that's got all the different skins, because I will probably want to change it out. So, they've got this whole page is really interesting. There's a lot you can learn about it here. It actually says customizable skins. Okay, customizable skins inspired by nature allow for personal expression. Yeah, definitely. Now, I'm going to assume that if this koi/shark related one goes well, they'll probably do more like this. Which, I mean, the ideas are limitless for that. I mean, I would love it if they made like, I don't know, like a dinosaur version that moves or a dragon version that moves. I mean, they could make some really cool stuff. I think this was a great starting point, but you could expand this to all kinds of different creatures, both real and mythical. You could even do like fantastic beasts and where to find them, do different fantastic beasts with this. I hope that they do a lot of different stuff like that because I think this is actually a really cool idea. I like this. The more I look at it, the more I see these pictures and stuff, I like this more and more. And I like this a lot better than just your standard Technic. This is just really cool to me. And to have the option of getting just like a $45 model, or you pay like the $85 and you get, 3 different skins with it. I think having options like that is a great idea. That it just is awesome. I hope that they continue to make stuff like this. And actually, I kind of scrolled past it here, but right here where it's got step 3, it really shows how, it's got that little crank at the bottom. You just turn the crank, and as it says, the model comes to life. So I think that's really cool. The only thing that might make it even better is if you added like power functions at the bottom, so you could just like turn it on and it would just keep moving like that all the time as long as you have it turned on. That I think would up it just like a level higher, even better. Who knows? Maybe they will come out with some special versions like that eventually. No idea. And if you're wondering about the size of it, here are the specs on it. So it looks like it's supposed to be about 11 inches long. It's going to be 10 inches high, including the base. So that's not bad. I think that would fit on a lot of shelves, no problem. I'm looking at this going, man, this would look great on my desk at work. I think it just is awesome. And like I said, the more I look at this, the more I like it. And I'm not a huge fan of Technic, so that's kind of surprising for me. And the box art, it looks awesome. I love the design on the box art. That's like the best picture that they could do for this. I think it's perfect. And then there's the different ones for the skins also. And this, I think, I looked at these stats down here earlier, and I think this was really, really cool. Really interesting, too. So you can read this whole paragraph here if you want to. Basically, it says, Lego Forma was designed to help adults reconnect with their creative side and to encourage all of us to prioritize play. Which is great. But the interesting part are these stats down here. So basically, there was a report. It says the report supported the development of Lego Forma and showed that we were on the right path in creating a fun and creative experience for adults. Because who knew that adults like Lego too? I mean, I'm I'm not an adult. I'm just a 30-year-old kid, right? I'm just kidding. I'm just saying that is. It's definitely true. They certainly have a point here. Lego sets targeted at adults is something that I think they've needed to do for years. So I think they are certainly on the right path here. I'm super excited about this whole thing. 91% of adults say play is good for their own well-being. I couldn't agree more. 86% of adults say play helps them feel more relaxed. That is so true. It is so relaxing to me to just sit down and build a Lego set. It really helps to de-stress and just relax. After like a long day at work, You just sit down, build a Lego set. It's really relaxing. Makes you feel better, calm down. It's great. 87% of adults say construction toys such as the Lego bricks help them be creative. Absolutely. And 76% of adults say construction toys such as the Lego bricks appeal more to them than other forms of play. I certainly agree with that part too. Lego is definitely the toy that I like to relax with the most. So anyway, and there's a picture down here of their whole team. You can check out more about them here. And if you look at this, it looks like the team was mostly women, or it might be kind of evenly divided, but it looks like a lot of ladies involved in this design, and packaging, and let's see, finance manager, all kinds of stuff. So I think that's really great. I think they did a fantastic job. And here's the whole timeline. Let's see, September 27th campaign launches on Indiegogo. Okay, so this just started today. That didn't even dawn on me. I did not know anything about it previously. Before today, I knew nothing about this. So this has been in the works for a while, obviously. Let's see, October 31st, model adjustments and packaging design design locks. Okay, I'm not sure. Anyway, so it looks like on Halloween, we might have some updates for this. And November 6th is when the campaign on Indiegogo ends. So it looks like if you do want to get this, you'll want to go support the Indiegogo campaign, go buy it on Indiegogo before November 6th, it looks like. That could change. Details always change. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. And let me go back up to the top here so you can see it all again. Lego Forma, it's a brand new Lego theme targeted at adults, and I think it's awesome. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you guys later. Before you go, don't forget to click my picture to subscribe to the channel. And if you already subscribed, you can click the thumbnail to check out more of my videos.